Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can design your very own customized t-shirts in Canva for free. Okay, so sign up to canva.com for your free account, and before you create a custom design, what you want to do is go to your print on demand platform. Today we'll use Merch by Amazon, and their t-shirt templates are 4500 width by 5400 height. So now that you know the size, go to custom dimensions, make sure you're in pixels, and insert the size of that template. Canva will bring up a new page. I'm going to set this to a black background because that is one of the most popular t-shirt backgrounds at the moment, and we'll keep this really basic. Let's go with something text-based. Okay, I'm going to go, trust me. Find something that you want to use as a saying or quote, so that it's completely yours and customized to what you want. So you could do, trust me, I'm a lawyer, or I could go with something a bit more funny, like I'm a lawyer. Okay, and then the next line could be, what could possibly go wrong? And there's your custom t-shirt. Text-based t-shirts sell very well. You may want to use this as a gag gift, you know. But before we end this video, you can actually customize quite a lot of this. So, for example, you might decide to use a different font. You can use a different font for this saying. You could even use a different font within the text. So maybe try something completely different for that one, for that specific word, you know. Sorry, that specific phrase here, and then you could go with something different over here for that text. So customize it and see what what looks good to your eye. Okay, and if you really want to up your game, you can actually include some graphics on this. Okay, so elements. Excuse me. Search for something along the legal niche, which is this one. I'm a lawyer, and insert whatever you feel like. You may have to pay a small fee for anything that has a little crown on it. In this case, I'll just stick something like this. Okay, you can't see it at the moment because the background is black and the icon is black. But if you change the color, you can actually see. There we go. And that is the scales of justice. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and back to this design. Make sure you have a look at how the combination of fonts and graphics go together. You may want to do a quick search on your favorite search engine like Google or something for typography to see what fonts go well together, and try and find that in Canva. In fact, I believe Canva actually has a guide on what fonts go well together. I'll try and find that and link in the description below. But there you have it. Under 5 minutes, you can actually create your own t-shirt design completely for free, and you're good to go once you download the file format according to what you need for your print-on-demand platform. Okay? So I'm going to leave it there. Have a great day, everyone. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and drop comments if you can, and I shall see you in the next video.